Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to any video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Please subscribe, like the video, share the video as well. So on this particular video, I will discuss a trip yakamsele kuwino ukuthi ngune family trip ekhoyo, and also akahamba ngumamkhulu uMacele noSamke. Ngiyakhumbula ngibuka on other episodes where uMacele was talking to Usne ukuthi Usne akahambe lapha kuleya trip for abantwana, because Usne ubengeza ukuya ku trip wasecelwa ke ngumama Macele ukuthi akahambe, since yena engeza ukuya uMacele, and then she had to ask Usne ahambe on behalf of abantwana, on behalf of her, for abantwana abazohamba. So sizokhuluma ke ngodaba le family trip. Ngiyabona lapha nakuhle kumnandi, yazi kumnandi, idrama eningi nje siyibonayo bese ekhaya ngapha ayikho ngale nje kumnandi kunje, something like that. I think mhlambe we will talk about that on a different video. Ngizobona mangabe ayikhonde le mfuna ukukhuluma ngayo, because I want to talk about the part where umamkhulu nje bengayanga benoSamke baye baphuma bazikhipha baya out. I can see lapha ngazi base spa bayazipoconga nje kumnandi kunje with the two wives. uMacele is very fond of uSamke, the way I see it. Njengoba wayishilo wathi yena akazi kuba ngumamezala wakhe, wathi kuSamke awumficanga kumamezala njengoba nami ngingamficanga, but umusu ziyabuka nje it looks like uSamke umficile mamezala. But I really love the relationship between the two of them. uSamke nomamkhulu bazikhiphile baye ngaphandle. So uSamke did mention ukuthi ubengazi nge-family trip, uzwe lapha ngomamkhulu emtshela ukuthi abanye baye ku family trip, ngitheke mina nawe asiphume ke size ngalayo yabo. Wasethi uSamke, hawu okay, kanti kune family trip angizwanga ngayo, and futhi I wasn't invited. But anyways, ngiyazi ukuthi noma ngabe bengiyile bekuzoba awkward, because there is no need for you being there mangabe you are not wanted there. You know what, I think between uSamke and the other three wives azikalungiswa izinto, abakabi happy ngoSamke or whatever, abakafiki nje ku stage leso ukuthi bayamamkela usekhoneka kaMsele kuyena nje usamkelane nomamkhulu. The two of them ibona bane relationship with the other wives, noma Khumalo yena noma Ngwabe, uSamke nje akaka ngeke uzumbone la abakhona khona, yona into engizama ukuyisho. So uyasho uSamke ukuthi she didn't know about the trip, and she doesn't know why she wasn't even told, and she wasn't even invited. You know what I mean? I feel like into efana nama family trip and all that, family gatherings, singozongamboni until idrama yabo lesi seyilungisiwe. Angazi baba uMsamsele uzokwenza njalo ukuze ngempela ahlanganise these three wives noSamke, keke kuhlangane nje noma kungekho mnandi, at least nje bamkele ukuthi sekukhona wife number 5, ukhona oMakhwele. You know what I mean? Because abakafiki kuleso stage. So uma kuzoba nento ehlanganisa umndeni, uMakhwele doesn't have to be there, and then umamkhulu will jump in for uSamke. I think so. That's how I see. She jumped in there ukuthi njengoba uMakhwele ngayile ku family trip naye ngayile, ngicela mkhiphe ke at least the outing bobabili baphumile lapha. Kuhle nje kumnandi, ngiyabona nje beyikhiphile beyojabula into ikanjalo nakhona. It's very beautiful. And then I think uMakhwele also spoke about, ubebuza kahle buza umamkhulu ukuthi ubaba uMsamsele akaze mention anything about his family, mhlamba mention nje ukuthi ubaba wakhe into ikanjalo nje. Maybe she knows very ukuthi uGokflow umuntu ongasekhoyo, not uGokflow, umama kababa uMsamsele. I think uGokflow is the granny, umama kababa uMsamsele, because she didn't talk about the mother, she spoke about ubaba. Wathi angaze ngizwe khuluma ngayo, so bengithi angibuze ukuthi i-relationship yakhe between him and his father or umndeni wakhe. You know, that's why umamkhulu uchazile kancane. Yabona le nto bengisizwa phana ku drama ke kulwa ubaba uMsamsele kweni his brother and whatever, phana kule ama messages athola kuthiwa ke bexabana ka WhatsApp, and then they expose each other ukuthi umusuthwele what. Kwaba ne message yayithi wena wakwaMsele ngwakantini, you remember? So uyachaza kumamkhulu ukuthi ke ubaba kaMsele ube ngwakantini, and then they didn't have the relationship, which means the Mseleku isibongo sikama wakhe. I think so, ngapha khulela khona. That's why lawyer wayethi wena ungwakantini, wena wakwaMseleku, kaMseleku akwenziwa kanje, you remember? So uchazile ukuthi umkhulu wayengwakantini, and then wayengenayo i-relationship nobaba uMsamseleku. There was no bond between the two of them nje njengoba uMusa wayekhulela ngapha kuma wakhe, futhi wakhulisa uGokflow. Ngithi and then ngale vele there wasn't anything called a relationship. Ushuthi nje that's why ingakaza ayithinte nje kababa wakhe or anything sort of, ngoba akazange abe nje nomuntu on a relationship nabantu bakantini or whatever, you know what I mean. So uphendula umamkhulu wasesisho ukuthi ezinye izinto mhlambe kuyofuneka nje akahlale phansi labapho umsamsele kuba kukhulume ngakho, because it's not something that they really talk about. Yona conversation njengathintwa ke leyo, khulunywa nje ngokokuflow ngapha, khulunywa ngomama nabo ngapha eside nje la kamsele, you know, ngale kantini akuyona nto nje, kodwa wayengenabo ubudlelwane nomkhulu uNtini. That's how mamkhulu answered uSamke. Nami bengingakwazi nami nje, then I was answered, you know what I mean. So yeah, bafethu, this was just about umamkhulu noMakhwela bezikhiphile nabo since ke bengayanga ku family trip. I guess that's what I saw, just a relationship between umamkhulu noMakhwela. I think kumenza uMakhwela I feel welcome when it comes to umamkhulu. At least she is the eldest wife, she's umamkhulu, she's the leader. At least maunguye kumamkelayo ufila better uMakhwela, because with the other three hayi akukalungi nje ngempela. Bayile nje bahambile bazikhiphile nezingane nomsele kubaye bazama ukumfonela lapha na bethi mhlambe bakhulume naye, kwafonela uSne bazama ukuya via uSne, and then uSne wathi hayi baba kusemadamini kuphi bangamthola nje, because you know mabehambe ku family trip kuningi ngibona bekwenza lapha na isikhathi sefoni nje, they are having fun that side, even though nabo ngapho girl boy two nabo they were having fun. So yeah, that's what I saw. The relationship between umamkhulu noMakhwela is also sharp, and yeah, ikhona nje bengifuna ukuthi sikhulume ngakho on this particular video. Sizokhuluma about the family trip on enye video esizoba nayo. Make sure you watch the second video after this one. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for love and support. Thank you so much. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ulike, ushare. Sibonane kwelandelayo. Bye.